In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Panasonic TV not turning on and a blinking red light. So if your TV is not turning on, but you're seeing this blinking red light, then this usually indicates an issue with the power supply. Now we can actually fix this in just a couple of easy steps. So the first thing is you want to go and disconnect any external devices to your TV. So this could be any HDMI connections or basically anything external going into your TV. You also want to make sure that your power cord runs directly from your television to the main power supply. So just make sure you're not using a power strip or anything like that. And then what we're going to do is just unplug the main power supply on your television like so. And we're going to leave this unplugged for around about 30 seconds. Now at the same time of this being unplugged, you need to go and locate the power button on your TV. Now this is sometimes found underneath the Panasonic logo, sometimes it can also be found on the back of your TV as well, but there should just be a small power button that you can go and hold, and we're just going to hold this button down for around about 15 seconds, and this will drain any residual power that may be left inside of your device. So once you've done this and you've waited 30 seconds, you can go and plug your main power supply back into the wall socket, and you can try turning on your television to check to see if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not working, there could be an issue with the actual main power cord itself. Now usually these power cords are universal, so if you have another power cord lying around your house, maybe you have another television and you can try using that power cord, but you basically just want to try swapping over the power cords just to rule out an issue with that cable itself. And obviously if you do find that the power cord is the issue, then you can easily order a new one of these online. Now unfortunately, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, there's probably a hardware problem on the device itself, and it will most likely require some kind of professional repair.